Twitter formed a therapy group on Monday night to unpack DJ Sinlin AKA's rumored romance and vacation. The pair sparked fresh rumors that they've rekindled their romance when they both posted pictures from a hotel that had striking similarities. Twitter CSI pounced into action to prove the pair are on vacay together. The couple has been spotted together on several occasions over the past few months, and rumors of a rekindled romance have been brewing ever since AKA broke up with Bonang over a year ago. Twitter has never missed a chance to lecture Sinlin about the dangers of going back to AKA, but she has always laughed off the rumors, insisting they were just friends. As speculation around their vacation continues to be the talk of the town, fans flooded social media with dating advice for Sinlin. The rapper posted a shirtless picture of himself, and a few hours later Sinlin also posted a picture of sunglasses, and a hat in the background in both pictures is the same. Social media investigators then took upon themselves to find other clues that prove that the couple is back together. Sinlin AKA broke up in 2015 after news broke that the All Eyes on Me hitmaker was dating media personality Bonang Mathiba. News about Sinlin AKA being back together has split social media, with many people not being too pleased that the couple might have kissed and made up.
Yeah.